Welcome to Eventfees.com. Using Eventfees, you can get all of your friends and family to pay you online from anywhere. During this tutorial, I will show you a demo event space. An event space is your area where people get to view your events, products and services, and where we host your all-important payment buttons. Each page at Eventfees is split into two content areas. The blue content area provides information that is often interactive. It also contains the navigation button. The navigation button is used to access the menu used to navigate through the Eventfees website. The navigation menu is interactive and can be opened and closed. On the right hand side of this page, we have the second of our content areas. This content area will display useful information, often relating to the specific page that you are on. On this welcome page, there are also two quick link buttons. One to search for an event space, and the second to view tutorial videos and demos. We will view that demo now, but via the navigation menu. Here we see a typical event space. In fact, what we see is my own event space for the purposes of this tutorial. On the left-hand side of the screen, the content area displays information relating to my events. On the right-hand side of the screen, the content area relates to information about this specific event space. This area gives useful information to help the event organizer and the event space visitor. The information listed here tells us about the event space, including any interactivity that has been specified by the event organizer. For example, on this event space, we can see that I have 3 active events and 1 unused credit remaining. What this means is that I purchased 4 events in total and have still yet to use my unused event. We call this an event credit. Obviously, this information is for the interest of the event organizer. Other information displayed here will be for the information of the visitor. For example, it's nice and clear for my visitors that this is the page of the website where they can make payments to me. Some of the icons in this area are interactive. For example, providing the event organizer has granted access for their email address and/or telephone to be used on their event space for the purpose of event inquiries, these can be clicked. The email icon will open up your email client and populate the address field with the event organizer's email address, so that the event space visitors can send an email directly to the event organizer. Likewise, the telephone icon can be used via a smartphone to make a telephone inquiry to the event organizer. Other information includes Facebook integration and security information. These items are specified by the event space organizer when they first create their event space. At the bottom of this list is an option to buy more events for your event space. On the left-hand side of the screen, we have event-specific information. There are 3 tabs along the top that show the following: My Events, a social media comments field, and Tools. We'll have a look at the Events tab first. The number in the bracket shows how many payment events I currently have active. In this case, there are 3: Beach Polo, Website Creation, and Frank's Birthday. If we take a look at Beach Polo event, you can see how the event is displayed. Different types of information can be contained with drop-down menus. These menus are built based on the event information that the organizer gives Eventfees when they add a new event. Then we come to the all-important payment button. This is the bread and butter of Eventfees. This is where your visitors make payments to you. These buttons are built via PayPal tools and linked to the organizer's specified PayPal account. The PayPal options are built based on the payment information that the organizer gives Eventfees when they add a new event. In this example, we have one payment button containing 3 payment options that are selected prior to making payment. Once an option is selected, the visitor can hit the PayPal button and will be taken to PayPal's secure payment screen. Here you can see the PayPal account that the payment will be made into. On the left-hand side, you can see the event, product or services that the visitor is making payment for. On the right-hand side, your visitor has two main options. The first is to make payment using a PayPal account balance. The second is to pay via debit or credit card. No PayPal account is required to make a payment this way. If we go to Frank's birthday event, here we can see an example of a variable payment amount. Once our visitor hits our Pay Now button and once they have been taken to the secure PayPal screen, you are then able to see that the payment amount can be chosen by the visitor. In this case, of our Frank's birthday event, all payment accounts will be different based on how much the individual wants to contribute. A variable amount is perfect in this case. To add an event to our event list, you can do that via the Tools tab. There are three more options in here. Add an event, upload images, and request a change. To add a new event, firstly you need to make sure you have purchased an event and have an event credit available. You can do that via the navigation menu or via the Buy More Events tab at the bottom of the screen. You can then click the shopping cart and add to your bundles. Then it's time to fill out your event request form. Firstly, I would enter my event space unique ID number. Only I know this number, and by entering this here, we will reference it against your event space so that we are certain that this is an event space owner who is creating this new event. Then I'd enter my email address and then my new event name. Now it's time to tell us about your event. This event creation process is not automated, as we wanted to give you as much freedom to create the event and tell us exactly what it is that you want. This event, including payment options, is then created by an Eventfees agent. That's right, an actual human being. If we require any more information, we have your details and will contact you. Likewise, if you would like to create a new event via telephone or online chat, we'd be delighted to do so, providing you have your unique event space ID, of course. We encourage human contact between ourselves and our event space owners. You can upload images using the Tools tab too. Click the Upload Cloud to get to the file interface. You can drag and drop files into this area, or you can click the Select Files button to browse your device. Use this text field here to tell us how you would like to use the photos. They can be used as your event space profile picture, or you can attach posters and adverts to your events. Click the Upload Images button when you're ready, and be sure to enter your event space unique ID number correctly. Next up is the Request a Change tab. Fill in this form to request a change to one of your events. Back to the top level of tabs now, and we'll have a quick look at the Comments tab. So what happens when someone comments on your event space? When someone comments, not only does the comment display on your event space, it is also displayed on the commenter's Facebook page. Their friends will see a post in their Facebook feed saying, such and such just commented on a link, and a link to your event space is displayed together with an image grabbed from your page. As you can see, with this feature, their comment on your event has the potential to go viral in no time at all. Another feature worth mentioning is the link on the right-hand side of the event space that connects you to PayPal. Here you can log on and manage your money. PayPal services are excellent, and you can transfer your money from your PayPal account into your own bank account in seconds. So how does someone find your event space and make their payments to you? You will be given a direct link to your event space via email once it has been created. You can then send this link directly to your event customers via text or email. This will appear as a hyperlink, so all your customers need to do is to click the link on their smartphones or computers, and they'll be taken directly to your event space. Your event customers can also go to the Find an Event Space accessed through the navigation menu and search for an event space by typing in the name of an event, event organizer, or event space name. Click in the search box and enter the name of an event. In this case, we'll type in Beach Polo. Hit the search button and then select the event space. You're then ready to check the event details and the event space organizer to confirm you have the correct event, and then you're ready to make your payment. So what's next? Well, that's up to you. You can use the navigation menu to create your own event space, or you can view more information about Eventfees. And if you're still wanting to find out how it all works and what you can use Eventfees for, then you can visit our How to Use Eventfees page. You can follow the simple steps to create your own event space, or you can view frequently asked questions. You can also get in touch with us via our online chat facility, where one of our agents is always here to help you.